The U.S. Department of Defense has announced an additional $425 million defense and assistance package for Ukraine. This package includes air defense systems, munitions for rocket systems and artillery, armored vehicles and anti-tank weapons. Israel has deployed AH-64 Apache attack helicopters to intercept Hezbollah drones. A video published footage shows an Israeli AH-64 Apache helicopter trying to shoot down a drone using a mounted 30mm M230 cannon. Thailand has signed a first export agreement to supply the Pakistan Army with 100 Chazari First Win armored vehicles. In accordance with the agreement, Thailand's Chazari company will manufacture an initial batch of FW vehicles, with Pakistani defense firm Heavy Industries Taxila set to handle production of the remaining units locally. China's defense manufacturer Norinco will present the latest version of its VT-4 main battle tank, featuring an advanced suite of anti-drone capabilities at the Zhuhai Aviation Exhibition. The upgraded model incorporates drone jammer alongside other defensive enhancements, aimed at providing greater resilience against the increasing drone threat on modern battlefields.